Hey. I'm still in 2. It's all right. Oh man. I just really thought these roads would be better. Not worse. Holy crap. Woo. Oh. They're not bad. They're not great either. All right. Take it easy. Slow. Yeah, you want to know why the torque sensor is so nice? Right there. That's what makes the torque sensor nice. We're going to go down to 1. I really didn't think. I didn't think this through, guys. Okay? I wasn't thinking this through. I should have went the other way. I didn't. But now we know. You just don't pout. That sound. Alright. Alright, here we go. Down ball.